nice to see our projects still popular also in your country. So thank you to Jordan to make all this, because we are very proud to be here and to show our parts to all these bikers.
We make special parts and kits for mostly BMW, but also other brands. We have very nice tanks that you can swap. Everything is plug and play, so we always try to make it easy to mount. And so we have a lot of exhaust, also in titanium. We have very nice bags.
Okay.
I saw these guys and I was interested with the good quality of the bike. So I decided to introduce it to the Philippine community with a new brand. We are catering all the brands for BMW, Ducati, Yamaha, Honda, and other brands.